With the platform structure in place, let's explore how to add grating. Open the Project Manager and load Drawing 3_7_struct. Start by switching to Parallel Mode and select the top view. Here, instead of using a line model, we'll keep the shape expanded to snap accurately to the structural beam's intersection points, avoiding the corners. When working with plate, simply click on the plate to bring up the options dialog. Choosing grating allows us to specify material, code thickness, and hatch pattern from the standard AutoCAD options. Set the scale, example 24, and place it on top of the steel with bottom justification. Switching to plate is as easy as using the drop-down, with similar options but without hatch patterns. I'll switch back to grating, set the scale to 24, then hit Create. For grating, switch to a view where corners are visible, snap to a point on the beam flange, and use rectangular placement. If needed, rotate the model to locate the opposing point on the other side. Once placed, the grating appears in your model. In Shape View, you'll see the hatch pattern, though it requires more memory. Switching to an outline view still shows the grating shape without the detail of the holes. Now I'll switch the shape model back on. To adjust properties later, open the Properties dialog instead of Structural Edit. Here, you can modify material code, hatch pattern, and scale, for example. Setting it to 36 makes the hatch wider. Always make plate and grating adjustments through Properties rather than Structural Edit.